aiming point. This is 30. Bullet's time of flight. And speed, initial speed. Okay. So,
Pwede pa lang malaman yung muzzle velocity technical.
ano yan? Pwedeng?
Pwede po pala malaman yung muzzle velocity using yung target. Tapos
Ano dyan eh? Pero may ang condition dyan, dapat yung initial velocity is perfectly horizontal yan.
Kaya nga po, magaling po kayo ng mga laser.
Ano yan? Sorry?
Maglagay po kayo ng laser. Malalaman mo kung horizontal. Kung malalaman pala yung muzzle velocity.
Kapag laser, yung deflection niya masyadong maliit. Hindi siya ma-detect. Pero meron, actually. Madi-deflect ng gravity yung laser light.
What is the time? How will you know the time of flight without knowing the muzzle velocity?
Ganito, set up mo yung kinematic equations. What's x versus
yes.
t? What's y versus t? And then, plug in mo lahat ng known. Or at least i-highlight mo lahat ng known. Okay. Ano yung choice of origin mo?
The muzzle.
So, the muzzle. So, nandiyan yung origin. Tapos, initial velocity in vector notation is, we don't know. Pero, gamitin mo yung symbol na V0 times I hat. Okay.
Sir, pasensya na po, nagulo yung schedule po kasi pagka may yung summer, parang ito yung pagka may ulan po, mahirap dito mag-travel sa Philippines, di ba po? Pagka maulan, wala ka ng ngayon sabi namin peak of summer, tapos si Joshua kasi ever since na bata pa, hindi siya po talaga nagbe-break pati yung mga break dapat ng ibang bata siya, pati Christmas, nag-aaral. Pero sabi namin sa kanya, pagka may may magandang panahon, tapos na pag-ipunan, ipapasyal ka namin. Kaya tinatanong namin siya, ano ba yung, sa mo ba gustong pumunta? Ito yung mga choices na, kaya, ito nakita namin parang masama po yung, yung panahon, hindi unpredictable po, no?
Oo.
So, kaya ito pagka umabot na ng May, sabi namin, baka hindi na pwedeng mamasyal dahil delikado. Actually, yung last 2 weeks ago, di ba po, yung kami, may ulan po biro sa summer may ulan. Rin pagka umulan, maputik, tapos sa mga probinsya, hirap mag-travel. Kaya pagka itong ganitong peak na summer, parang we want to yung maximize yun na before sana mag-May. Sabi na para hindi rin siya ma-burn out.
Mm.
Minute. Oh, my mind. What?
Teka, tingnan mo
Okay.
yung units.
Substitution. Okay. So equals x minus x0.
Okay. So, ganito, before you substitute, identify mo ano yung x0, y0, and so on.
Yun mo.
Teka, ano yung x0?
X0, 0.
Yeah, x0, y0. Tapos, ngayon, tingnan mo ngayon yung, di ba, yung sa kinematic equations, dapat v0x, yung sa y, v0yt, tapos, components yan eh, v0x.
Hindi ko lang. Wala naman hindi naman po nakataas nila.
So, ngayon, isulat mo sa isang gilid, what's v0x, what's v0y?
Magugulo.
Okay.
La. Pero kung po sa pag-calibrate nito, ginagamit po nila minutes of something of minutes. Minutes of arc. Why will they use the angle more accurate?
Actually, hindi ko alam kasi wala akong experience with ano yun eh. Nag-ROTC ako pero hindi ko siya tinapos. So, hindi ako umabot dun sa sa rifle shooting. Inabutan ako ng nung change nung naging optional yung ROTC.
Sweat.
Pero 3 beses, I think 2 o 3 beses kong binagsak yun. So, pero nag-attempt ako.
Why so slow? Like unbeatable.
Teka. Hindi, sige, think.
A target, 30 meters away. Gano'ng kalayo yun? 90 feet. Gano'ng kalayo 90 feet. Ilan abit? Isang tao, 6 feet.
0.62 seconds, that's about half a second, di ba?
Kaya nga po eh, parang 60.
That doesn't seem to, parang lalabas na 60 meters per second yung bullet. Approximately. Yung initials, yung...
Ano ba yung normal?
Hindi, tingnan mo uli yung substitution mo. Tapos, why is it... Tapos, tingnan mo yung given. Yung V0x is V sub m what? So, ano yung values?
V0x yun pa yung muzzle velocity and then V0y.
Okay, so ano yung muzzle velocity? Hindi, wala pa tayong muzzle velocity. Anong pa yun eh. Pero, tingnan mo yung given. Yung target, so x is 30 meters. Yung y,
negative 19. Ay, 1.9. Okay,
1.9 what?
Sentinel! The realization. Okay, seems good.
Negative, 10 to the minus 2, no? Negative 1.9 times 10 to the minus 2 meters. is equal to 1/2 times 9.8 meter per second square t square.
Okay,
Actually, yung pag sinubstitute mo yung values, include mo yung units doon sa substitution. Kasi kapag nilagay mo yung units, do the algebra on the units. Kasi pag mali yung units mo, may mga hindi magka-cancel. That's one way na pwede mong i-crack yan, na hindi ka nagkakamali. Always substitute the numbers and the units.
915. Okay, so mga 900 something.
So 800.
Mga yun yung mga reasonable.
So 2 times 1.9 raised to the negative 2 divided by 9.8 and then square root. So we're going to get t is equal to 0.062 seconds. Kaya, tapos sig figs, yung kailangan na natin 2 sig figs. Kasi yung given is 2 sig figs din eh. And then, V0 is 30.
Wait, this has got to be, this got, Mark, something was wrong. Ano ba? 300 win mark.
Divided by y is 1.9 times 10 to the negative 2.
Ay, hindi pala to.
30 square root of divide by so
data 4665. Okay, pero it means it's impossible. So this
teka, ano yung teka, 6, ano yung nakuha mong teka, ano yung nakuha mong t?
Ito mo.
62 milli, pwedeng paki-recheck yan. So 1.9 cm is 0.019. So 0.019 times 2 divided by 9.8 and then square root.
Okay, yan.
So anong lumabas?
400.
Teka, yung time. Anong lumabas? T equals sa calculator mo.
Ito po rin po, pero 0.0622.
Teka, so 62 milliseconds. Hindi 6 milliseconds. So dapat, okay, so 0.0622, wala yung 0.
Okay, so hindi pala ito yung reasonable. Ano ba yung 437 meters per second. Okay. So, reasonable siya sa mga hunting rights.
Yeah. Okay. So, tingnan ko naman calculate ko naman to. So, ito, may G. Gx squared over 2y. So this is 2. So, 30 multiplied by the square root of 9.8 divided by 2 times 1.9 raised to the negative 2. Okay, 481 or 480 meters per second kasi 2 sig fig lang. So, yeah, reasonable.
A lump of wet pot.
So, we're done with 97, no? So, 99 naman.
But why? Why will it run on? Maybe someone stuck used to go. Fly off the roof.
Moves in you. Moves in you.
Mataas po siya.
Yeah, kaya tayo imagine din eh. Moves in uniform circular motion as it rides a radius of
ito ba yung na-imagine mo?
Nahihirapan akong imagine yung so yung wheel, okay, so yung wheel horizontal, vertical. Ano kasi iba yung itsura pag iba yung itsura niya kapag horizontal wheel eh. So vertical yung wheel, tapos it leaves, okay, so ano yung at the 5 o'clock position? It leaves a rim at a height of 1.20 meters from the floor and a distance d from a wall. At what height on the wall okay. Kaya lang siya nandyan kasi kailangan lang natin malaman ano yung initial speed.
Okay, so ito yung 5 o'clock position. It leaves there. And then,
so 5 o'clock. Kaya 99. So, yung 5 o'clock position, anong angle yan? 0, 1. So 5 over 12. So yung angle. So the angle from
yun po yung tawag na disaster.
5/12 of 2 pi. Drawing mo yung circle side view.
Ay, parang ganito po.
Kasi kailangan mo ma-figure out yung angle at which naaalis mula sa wheel yung ano eh. Hindi, ganito. Hindi mo kailangan na i-drawing pati yung circle lang. Kasi schematic lang na yung kailangan natin eh. Tapos, i-estimate, gawa ka ng coordinate system, i-estimate mo kung nasaan yung puti pag alis. Tapos, measure the angle from so yung kailangan natin na angle ay yung angle with respect to the horizontal.
So, itong respect to the horizontal, something. 60? Yes, okay, 60. 60 degrees.
So 5 over 5 pi theta equals 5 pi over 6. So yung angle, so this is 3 pi over 6. So pi over 3 ito. And then, ano tong angle na to?
Wait.
Kailangan ko yung justification for anong angle aalis siya.
5 o'clock po.
And then, 5 o'clock. Ganito. Yung kailangan na i-sketch ko lang sa let me copy the question first. So this is 99.
Question suspicious.
And then let's draw
What is this?
squiggle.
It's a very absurd question po that I cannot even understand.
Hindi, ganito. Isipin mo may gulong. Tapos merong mid dirt na nakakabit dun sa gulong. At some angle during its rotation, mag-fly off yung nakadikit sa gulong.
So it's like a hammer throw person is on his somehow sideways and then he throws the hammer at 5 o'clock.
I-ano ko, sketch ko. Teka, pakita ko yung screen ko. So ganito yung, the way I visualize it is, so if the center is going to be over here, so let's draw a line.
How do you know po yung center is there? Eyeball lang po.
Eyeball lang. Hindi tayo, ano to eh, yung figures don't have to be perfectly accurate. They only need to be accurate enough so that malinis yung iniisip mo. Yung ginagawa ko ano eh, on paper it's better kasi I have a compass. But because I don't have a compass here, hanggang eyeball lang yung pwede kong gawin. So ngayon, we have 5 pi over 6. So if I measure the angle like this, so kung 5 o'clock, so this is going to be
okay. 5 over 6.
So
wait.
Hindi.
5 over 3?
Yeah, it's going to be pi over 3. Ngayon, yung particle or yung object, yung initial velocity niya, it's going to be perpendicular to this line.
Mm-hmm.
Which means
yung ano po yung parang ganun polar coordinates na ano.
Which means I need this.
I think that's just okay. So parang if it's geometry po, then the other angle, diba? 180 degrees. Ito pong triangle na to.
Okay. So pi over 3. So this one is going to be pi over 6, di ba? Tapos
parallel sila.
Pi over 6. Okay na?
Okay na po.
Sige. So pag nakuha na natin yung angle ng initial velocity, then ano yung choice of origin mo? So tingnan natin yung diagram. So pili ka ng choice of origin, and then kasi ito yung ito yung so yung yung binigay, this is, kung ito yung ground level, this is height. Tapos, the distance to the wall is going to be like this. So, ito yung wall. So, in that case, it's probably convenient to choose this as the origin. Tapos, yung wall, ano kalayo ba yung wall?
Where you saw yung the height of the pudding at the moment it flies off?
Based on the diagram, so, yung figure 4-44.
And then, okay, nice. So, and then,
tapos, yung location na nandito, so this is 0, D0. And then what we need to find, ano yung kailangan natin? Flies off, it leaves a rim at a distance D. So this is
trigonometry.
So 2.50 meters.
Height above yung H and 0H. And then just add H to it.
Teka, ano yung binigay na ano? Binigay ito na 1.20 meters eh.
Yun po. So find yung above the height of the pudding above the 0.0 above the 2.50 1.20 and then I'll just add 1.1.
Teka, ito yung vector na to, this is going to be my initial velocity.
Okay.
And then, di ba, may parabolic motion siya. So, somewhere, it will hit the wall. So, hindi ko alam kung saan mag-hit, pero parang ganyan yung magiging, parang ganyan yan. So, somewhere, it will hit the wall. I'm not even sure kung mag-maximum muna bago mag-hit ng wall. I'm just sketching that para may idea ako kung ano yung what to look for.
Or would that matter po? If it hits maximum before it goes?
Hindi, it's not going to matter. Pero syempre, mali yung sketch. Kasi paano kung halimbawa yung talagang nangyari ganito? Yeah, we don't know. But at least with a sketch, even though that part, yung particular part na to, pwedeng magkamali tayo. At least, na-identify natin, what do we need to find? So, ito, yung coordinates nito is 2.5, 2.50 meters. Yung x, tapos 0 yan. And then, we need to find the intersection point. So, x is 2.50, ano yung y? Kaya, ano ba yung mga given? We don't know kung ano yung initial speed, pero alam natin yung angular velocity. Sabi ay 20 cm. So this is, so yung wheel, yeah, I'm going to use a different one. So this is 20 cm. Tapos, yung angular velocity is 50. Rotating counter, as it rides at the wheel of 20 cm on rotating counterclockwise with a period of 5 milliseconds.
Oh, millis? So ito pong 5 milliseconds? What an absurd problem.
May mga ganyan eh. Kasi alam mo yung laptop na, yung mga laptop fans, they move at for example, yung specs, yung sensor ko binibigay sa akin yun 2,000 or around 3,000 rotations per minute. So okay, so how do you compute omega from there?
Equation po yung nakuha po natin dati.
Okay, tiga. I-save ko lang tong figure tapos padala ko. And then balik tayo dun sa screen mo.
Equation.
Tapos, stop share na muna ako. Okay, so pwedeng pa-share uli ng screen mo. So, ngayon, be careful with the units. So, when you substitute, make sure na pati units sinubstitute.
It is a very tricky problem. It has set limit. Alam kasi
Okay, so,
yung formula, get yung omega from yung angular
hindi,
velocity.
ano ba yung definition ng omega?
I
That's the amount di ba, pag tingnan mo, that's yung d theta dt, di ba? So, yung ano niyan, so kung constant angular velocity, that's going to be one circle, so 2 pi divided by the period.
Mm-hmm.
Diba?
And then,
so kung nakuha mo yung kung alam mo yung angular velocity, how do you get the speed of the puti?
hindi ba po yun yung angular velocity?
Hindi. Yung angular velocity is the rate of change of the angle of rotation. The speed, depende kung nasan, kung ano yung... Kasi di ba, for example, nakita ka na ba ng old na vinyl record?
Hindi po.
Yung mga phonograph, phonograph. Yung mga turntable na records.
Sa
museum. Pero hindi gumagana ba?
Apo. No, hindi lang gumana po.
Sige. Or ganito, tingnan mo, pag tumingin ka sa isang wheel na umiikot, di ba, yung speed depende sa gaano ka kalayo mula sa axis. Mas malapit ka sa axis of rotation, mas mabagal.
Potter's wheel po.
Di ba? Yun, Potter's wheel. So if you have a Potter's wheel, yung mas malapit ka sa edge, mas mabilis yung speed ng point on the Potter's wheel. So ganun din yan. So dito, if we know the angular speed, how do we get the speed on the wheel? Sige, ganito. Speed, diretso tayo sa speed. Gaano kahaba yung isang circle?
It's radius po.
Yung circumference.
Circumference, 2 pi r.
2 pi r. Ngayon, para makuha mo yung speed, the object is going to move in a circle tapos yung period is 5 milliseconds. So that's the amount of time it takes to travel one whole circle. Ano speed ngayon ng object?
Okay. So, 2 pi r over 5 milliseconds. Okay.
So 2 pi r over the period, which means yung angular velocity is, di ba, v is equal to r omega. So pag wala yung r, 2 pi over the period. That's the angular velocity.
Over 2. Hindi mo po yung period, isa lang.
Oo nga. So, 5.0 times... So, 2 times pi times 20 cm, so 0.2 divided by... So, the speed is 251 meters per second.
Pero kung 2.50 meters lang po yung wall, and then it's traveling this fast, parang negligible na lang po yung bumababa. Di ba po?
Kaya, titignan ko kung ano, kung meron akong... So, 20 cm is 0.2 meters. Tapos, 5 milliseconds. So, 5 times 10 to the negative 3. Okay. 251 meters per second. Okay. So, yan yung initial speed. And then, alam na natin initial speed, alam natin yung angle. So, gamitin ngayon natin yung kinematic equations.
So,
Wait. Yung v sub 0 niyan, dapat y coordinate yan. May v sub 0, y yan. Vector equations yan eh. Ayan. Ngayon, what do we know?
what do we know? Ito pong... Wait, we don't know anything. We know this one. Diba? We know the x.
Okay, so ano yung x0 at ano yung y0?
X0 is, ano ba? 0, and then y0 is 1. With
Okay, so sulat mo lahat. So given,
even. Ano ba? Y0 is 1.20.
units.
Meters.
So 1.20 meters. Ngayon, x0 is yung starting point, diba? Tingnan mo yung coordinate system natin.
0.
So 0 meters. Ngayon, yung v... Ayun, so y... Ano pa? Yung v0x at v0y. Hindi pa natin alam. Pero we know v0. So, ano yung v0x? This is 99.
V0x, I think we can use yung ito pong theta.
Oo nga. So how do we relate v0x to the angle and the speed and the initial speed?
Wait. So v0x is equal to cosine. Yes. Somehow I forgot. V0x. 251. 251 cosine. No? 5 pi over 6. So, mga 20 degrees. Okay, no. Pi over 6 kasi. 60, 30 degrees.
So cosine pi over 6 is 1/2. Tapos sine pi over 6 is square root of 3 over 2. Okay, and V0y is
And that's it. So, solve for
so
and also solve for y.
okay. Ngayon, what else do we know? Yung final position xf is so 2.5. Tapos y is unknown. So if you look at our equations, ano yung mga unknown, ano yung mga unknown?
Dalawa nga po. So, find t and then substitute t to find y.
Okay. So pwede.
So, okay. Okay. Wait lang. Valid ba?
2.5
Meters per second.
divided by 17.
So,
0.01.
So, the putty hits the ball in like 11
A tenth of a
milliseconds.
second. Diba?
Bro.
Check your units. I think may ano. Ganito, 2.5 meters, diba? Tapos 217 meters per second. So T is 2.5 divided by so 0.0115 or 0.012 seconds. So that's about a tenth of a second. So we know T. Ano ngayon yung Y?
Ngayon, y. Calculator time.
Plus 125 times 0.0115 minus 0.5 times 9.8 times 0.0115 square. Okay, so okay, so nakuha ko 2.64 din. And okay, so yeah, it checks out. Okay, so we'll stop here kasi 2 p.m. na.
Alam po pala kung hindi po siya ginamitan ng kinematic equations. Kung diretso po siya.
Meron I think kaya mong gamitin kaya mong mag-setup ng y versus x equation. Diba? Kaya lang kasi it's more effort remembering yung y versus x than it is to remember the kinematic equations. So it's always
Ganito po siya. So without using without. Since it impacts at a very fast rate po, 11.5 milliseconds, so it doesn't really matter. still hits approximately the same place po.
Oo. Okay, so we'll stop here for now and then we'll continue on. So wala kayo hanggang Sunday next week, no?
Apo, baka Sunday
So-
kung mag-message po kami kung aabot kami sa hapon kasi maaga po kaming babalik eh.
Oh, sige.
Okay.
Okay, so enjoy your trip. Saan yung lakad nyo?
Sa Cebu po.
Cebu naman. Okay,
Apo.
enjoy the trip. I'll see you again after your trip. Bye-bye.
Okay. Bye-bye po.
Sige po, thank you
you
po.
po.
Bye-bye po.